functions, some demand curves, and on the test, I'm not trying to trick you guys by giving you weird demand functions or cost functions, but that does not mean they cannot be a little funny on an exam. So please be prepared for any of these cases that you've seen on the homework. And the problem is very straightforward. First, what are the first degree profits? What's the optimal uniform price? Third degree prices, two-part tariffs, block pricing, linear price, single two-part tariff. Then we had menu pricing scheme, and then part I say redo the whole problem with an increasing marginal cost. Okay, now again, the test problem will not be this bad. It will probably only be, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 of these parts out here. It's not going to be all the way out to, I and do the whole thing over again. So you should be comfortable how to do uniform pricing, third degree pricing, block pricing, two-part tariff, venue pricing, and then everything else, beforehand we discussed related to cost structure, economies of scope, economies of scale, minimum efficient scale of production, looking at rate average cost in multi-product firms. Then we had discussions of industry concentration, how to measure market power, the differences between the perfectly competitive and the monopoly problems on the industry spectrum. We also talked about first order conditions, second order conditions, so don't forget about those. I'll probably ask you some short answer question about that.
Can we use a calculator?
Yeah, absolutely.
Correctly?
Sure. Whatever calculator you want. I don't think a cell phone calculator is very useful. I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah, I've had people use cell phone calculators to try to cheat on the test, but it didn't help them at all. So yeah, I would say try to get a graphing calculator if you can. I think that would be the best bet. But yeah, no cell phones, no cell phone calculators.
Actually, both mine, but if I have a regular calculator, that would still be a trick to me.
I mean, whatever you need it for, I mean, you don't need a calculator for this test.
Okay.
I mean, it helped your life, So it would make your life easier. I would